So first you're going to take the jars you want to sterilise. They should be as clean as you can possibly get them, and place them on a baking tray, making sure that they're not touching. Then you're going to place your tray in a preheated oven. It should be preheated to 180 degrees. Mine is a fan oven. Carefully place your tray in. Next, we're going to sterilise the lids. Take a pan of boiling water and your lids, and with a pair of tongs, carefully place the lids into the pan of boiling water. Set a timer for 10 minutes. When those 10 minutes are up, carefully remove your tray with the jars from the oven and place those on a heat-proof surface. Carefully remove the lids from the boiling water with a pair of tongs and place those on a clean tea towel to dry. And that's it. Your jars are ready for use. Now go make some jam.